Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and Disney is releasing their new live-action Aladdin movie very soon. I am definitely gonna go see it. They've given it like a whole fantastic point of view to the movie. But today I wanted to go back to the classic. We are actually going to be making a treat inspired by Aladdin's Magic Carpet. There are going to be marshmallows, and the ingredients for this recipe are 1 cup of light corn syrup, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 2 separate half-cup measurements of cold water, 3 packages of unflavored gelatin, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a fourth a teaspoon of salt, and blue, yellow, and purple food coloring. The first thing we want to do is in a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, we're going to bloom our gelatin. This is basically just like the process of waking up the gelatin, telling it to get ready because we're going to add our sugar mixture in later. We're going to take our 3 packages of gelatin and 1 of our half-cup measurements and add it to our stand mixer. We've got our gelatin blooming. We can just let it be for right now. Next, we want to take all of our ingredients over to the stove. In a sauce pot, combine your corn syrup, sugar, half a cup of water, vanilla, and salt, and cook the mixture until it reaches 240 degrees on a candy thermometer. Then immediately remove from the heat and slowly start pouring it into your mixer on low speed, gradually increasing as you go. Once all of your sugar mixture is poured, turn the mixer up to the highest speed and whip for about 8 to 15 minutes. Our marshmallows have been whipped to stiff peaks, and I went ahead and colored them their separate colors. In here, this is the most amount of batter, and we've dyed this blue. Then over in these Ziploc bags, I have purple and yellow. And when working with marshmallows, we want to work fast, so I just quickly did this and placed them into their bags. Over here, I have a 9 by 13 inch pan that I've greased and dusted with powdered sugar to make sure these come out. I've also got water and a cookie cutter, so now we can start to assemble these. I'm going to start by pouring in all of our blue marshmallow batter and smooth it out with an offset spatula. Using our big rectangle cookie cutter, I'm going to press it lightly into the top of our marshmallows. Then I'm going to press our smaller rectangle cookie cutter in the center. This is going to give us a guideline on where we should pipe the rest of our marshmallows. Around the border, we're going to pipe our purple. Then we're going to add the yellow inside the purple and 4 tassels on the outside. Once you have all of your magic carpets piped, now I want to let these set for 8 hours or overnight uncovered, just like this. I let our marshmallows sit out overnight, and now we can start to cut them out. Again, I'm going to use the same cookie cutter, and we're just going to cut around our magic carpets. Look at this. It's like one big rug. I mean, it's one rug made out of a bunch of other rugs. It's like a carpet. It's like a doormat. The great thing about this recipe is once you cut out all your carpets, look at all the leftovers you get. And here we have them, our Aladdin themed Magic Carpet Marshmallows that we made today in honor of the new live action Aladdin movie. These are a cute treat, perfect for any Disney fan or any Disney party. And the great thing about these is you can make them ahead of time. You do want to make sure though that you cover these after one day sitting out to the open air. If you happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who likes Aladdin, carpets, or anything you saw in this video. Oh, marshmallows too. And until next time, save your life and make it sweet. Oh no! I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video, and down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys in the next video.